the first heuristic we're going to cover will be constant total. So let me write the score at the side and show you where am I, okay, at which stage am I doing, right? So score. First, we need to search for information. So we do that by reading the question in one round. So at first, the number of women is 4 times the number of men. After 25 men left and 25 women entered the hall, the number of women is 9 times the number of men. How many men were in the hall at first, right? So then we have to check for keywords. Okay, checking for keywords. So here we have a comparison between the woman and the man, which is 4 times. So next, we were told 25 men left. That means we have to minus 25 from the group of men, and 25 women entered, which tells us that we need to add 25 to the number of women over here. Then the number of women is 9 times the number of men. So this is a comparison of the end. So in other words, we have the before scenario, we have the change over here, and we have the after scenario over here, right? So then we will ask how many men were there in the hall. So now, how we will approach this by drawing a simple table. So first, okay, we have the comparison between the man and woman, okay, before the change. Okay, we were told there are 4 times as many women compared to men. So it's 4 is to 1, right? Next, okay, those students in the audience, you can take a piece of paper. Okay, if you do not have the worksheet, and follow along, right? If you have the worksheet, please write on the worksheet working space. So next, there is the change, right? So in the change, we say that 25 men left. So here, minus 25. 25 women enter the hall, so plus 25. So then we have the after scenario, right? The after scenario. So from here, we have 9. Woman is 9 times the number of men. So 9 is to 1. Now, can the audience tell me, okay, can all of you tell me, is the total the same? Is the before total the same as the after total? Okay, can you let me know same? You can choose option A or not the same. Right, if it's not the same, you choose option B, right? Okay, same or not the same. Right? So good job, everybody. Most of you would know that the total remains the same, right? Because if a number, you plus 25, then you minus 25 subsequently, the number remains the same, right? So we have the total here. So the total here will equivalent to 5 units, and here will equivalent to 10 units. Now, in order to solve this, we have to make the total the same, because the total is referring to the same number. So we change this into 10 units, right? So this is 10. That means the whole row, we need to multiply by 2. Right, from here, this is 9, this is 8, right? So therefore, 9 units minus 8 units, we get 1 unit. Therefore, we know that this 25 women is actually represents 1 unit, right? 1 unit is equals to 25. Right. So without me prompting further, can you let me know how many men were there in the hall at first? Can I give you 10 seconds to work out the answer and let me know? Right, how many men at first? Right, the number of men at first. Right, thank you, Mei Yan. How about the rest of you? Now that we found that 1 unit is 25, how many men were there at first? Okay, great. So now we have 2 units of men. All right, so let's write down 2 units. Since 1 unit is 25, therefore it's 2 times 25, and we get 50, right? So how many of you have 50 as well? Please type yes.